Hello everybody, welcome back in another video. And in this video we'll be telling we'll be talking about basically why do we need the travel insurance for Germany. Well, this is the most searched question and the asked also. So in this video we're gonna answer that only. Germany, basically I would say one of the finest countries in Europe, and I personally like Germany because the people, the ambience around there, the trips and tours over there are really great. So, Germany travel insurance requirements vary based upon where you are traveling from and if you need a visa. Travel insurance is optional for US citizens and other travelers who do not require a visa as long as they stay in Germany for less than 90 days. But if you need a visa to enter Germany or the Schengen area, then travel insurance is mandatory. So we'll be talking about this only. Like if you have to cancel your trip unexpectedly, or maybe your travel to Germany, insurance may cover some of your prepaid and non-refundable expenses. This will be really helpful for you because this could include reimbursement or refunds for the flights, lodging and traveling excursions. Generally, travel insurance covers trip cancellation for the following reasons. Maybe it's a jury duty or legal obligation, death of an immediate family member or travel companion, unforeseen medical injury or a serious health condition, natural disasters, and also the acts of war or terrorism. Travel insurance can also provide emergency medical coverage if you need health care abroad. Germany ranks among the top countries in the world for its high quality healthcare system. Tourists will have to pay for the treatment out of pocket, and medical costs can add up if your health insurance does not extend overseas. Purchasing a medical travel insurance plan can offer coverage and ensure peace of mind in case you need medical care while vaccinations or vaccinating in Germany. Cancel for any reason coverage, or CFAR. Coverage is an optional upgrade to standard travel insurance policies that covers travel cancellations for any given reason. It is worthwhile investment if you prefer flexibility, but will increase the cost of your premium. CFAR coverage extends cancellation benefits beyond the reasons covered by your standard policy. Say you are planning an anniversary trip to Hamburg and booked a non-refundable hotel, but decide that Munich is a better option. With CFAR insurance, you can submit a claim for reimbursement of the lost lodging cost simply because you changed your mind. That's it. Although CFAR coverage offers flexibility, it is subject to deductibles, disclaimers, and restrictions. Be sure to review coverage exclusions before you purchase this option insurance. Okay. Alright, so next we're going to talk about the gear theft protection. Well, to be really honest, and I mean it, Germany is considered as a safe country for US citizens to visit. And not only US, for every of the, citizens of the world and everywhere. However, as with, like every major city in Europe, there may be scams, crimes, frauds, and, petty theft, right? So if you're like visiting major cities like Berlin or Munich, you may want to consider gear theft protection. Because you may want to bring your valuables to Germany, like a camera for photographs, or maybe you will have a lot of other things you'll be carrying with your stuff, right? So gear theft protection covers you in case your items are lost or stolen. Coverage may include the following valuables such as jewelry, laptop, mobile phones, tablets, professional cameras, camera equipment including tripods and stabilizers, also sporting gear and equipment like ski helmets, ski poles and snowboards. Most travel insurance plans cover valuable items up to a predetermined cost, but gear theft protection may not include coverage for all your valuables. Review your policy for limitations and exclusions and consider leaving irreplaceable items at home. Medical emergency insurance and emergency medical evacuation. If you have a medical emergency in Germany without the travel insurance, you can endure a specific and significant financial setback. While standard travel insurance policies provide some coverage, you are not guaranteed full reimbursement for any treatment you receive. Medical travel insurance can include coverage of the following, such as hospital expenses, operating room fees, anesthesia, ambulance costs, dental emergencies, lab tests, and x-rays. Most travel medical insurance plans also provide emergency medical evacuation and repatriation. So like the neighboring countries of Switzerland and Australia, Germany is considered as an adventure haven country. But keep in mind that travel medical insurance may not extend to extreme sports, which you may not have somehow in your mind. So the next one we're talking about is the rental car protection. The public transportation system in Germany is really moderate, well connected, and runs frequently and smoothly. While public transit offers a budget friendly, easy way of getting around, some travelers may prefer to rent a car. Renting a car allows you more freedom to travel at your own places and paces, but there is more responsibility involved. Germany legally requires all rental cars to have unlimited third-party liability insurance. While this protection is automatically included when you rent a car, it offers minimum coverage. Travel insurance with rental car protection can cover you if a rental car is damaged, although the details differ from policy to policy. Well, generally talking that most of the premium rental car insurance include the following, such as collision damage waiver, theft protection, windshield and tire protection, roadside assistance, personal effects, and injury insurance. The next we're talking about is trip cancellation insurance, and this is must. Trust me, this is the must and the biggest vital point which I'm going to tell you. Most travel insurance coverage includes non-refundable and prepaid trip expenses up to a predetermined limit. Trip cancellation insurance can protect you from financial losses by reimbursing a cancelled flight, hotel, or even travel excursions. Some of the accepted reasons you can file a claim for trip cancellation insurance include hospitalization, serious injury or unforeseen illness, death of a family member or a travel companion, severe weather conditions, military orders, which includes domestic and international terrorism also, and the jury duty. Well, let's come to the FAQ. Frequent questions which were asked that how much does Germany travel insurance cost? Whether you decide on a short-term single trip or an annual multi-trip policy, travel insurance costs can vary depending upon many other factors. Coverage costs largely depend on your personal preference, destination, and other travel plans. To receive an insurance quote, you will need to provide the following, such as the age, number of travelers, destination, country and city, country of residence, trip lengths, total price to many of the the travel insurance companies and everyone, so that they can determine the total price factors and the flight, accommodation, and everything which will be included in your expenses. Well, talking about the general global assistance, that is the most affordable plan. Basically, the standard one is $125. So I think it's good per individual that if you're spending this much money, so you should be safe at least. So how do I get travel insurance for Germany? Before planning your vacation to Germany, see what coverage you already have. Contact your current health insurance provider to see if your coverage extends abroad. Also, some credit cards companies include travel health insurance and trip protection, and if you can typically purchase flight insurance when booking with the airline. So if you want to purchase, or you can say the travel insurance for your trip to Germany, make sure to compare various plans and policies once you purchase or beforehand you purchase that. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to drop that like button, and if you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on so that you will never miss any updates from our channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.